Okay, everyone. So here we have another IGCSE question. So first we can do for question 17a. We need to find f equals to 3. So here we have f of x. So we know that f of x is equals to x squared. How about if we have f minus 3? So if f minus 3, it means that we will substitute this x with 3. So now we can have 3, negative 3, negative 3 squared. Don't forget to put a bracket. So now we can find f of negative 3, which is 9. So here is our final answer. Now, g of 1. Since g inverse of x, so now we know that 3x is equals to x plus 5 over 2. So we know that we also can use as y, so we replace y equals to x plus 5 over 2. So now we change x and y, so x is equals to y plus 5 over 2. So now we want to make y as the subject. So now we can move 2 to the left side, which makes it times. So we have y plus 5 is equals to 2x. Then what we should do here is move the positive 5 to the left side, so it becomes minus. So y is equals to 2x minus 5. Sorry. So since y we can replace as g inverse of x is 2x minus 5. And here is our final answer. Okay, so to solve for c, we can we need to determine the composite function, which is g of x. So we have f of x is equals to x squared, and g of x is equals to x plus 5 over 2. So we can start f of x into g of x. So g f of x, which means that g f of x, okay, so that we can write as g x squared, because we replace the f of x here with x squared. So now we can write, which is equals to that, then we can write as x squared. So now since we have g of x squared, so g of x we have here. So now we can just replace the x with x squared. So we have x squared plus 5 over 2. Now to find inverse function of hx. So now that we have y equals to, so we have hx is equal to 7x minus 3, hx is to 7x minus 3. That means we can swap this with y. So y is equal to 7x minus 3. So x is 7y minus 3. We swap the x and y here. And then now we need to solve for y. So first to solve for y, we must is 3, negative 3 becomes positive. So x is equals to, so 7y is equals to um, x plus 3. Now to find y, to get y alone, we make this one divide. So now we can have y is equals to x plus 3 over 7. So now we can have if h inverse of x is x plus 3 over 7. And now we can solve that means h h inverse of, let's write it as z way is equals to z. Therefore, h inverse of, uh, let's say we have h inverse of x is equals to h inverse of 63 is equals to something. Now, since we know that h is not inverse and the h inverse here is 63, I can just write as 63 down here. So same like this. So now h inverse of 63 is to 63 plus 3 over 7, which makes it 66 over 7. Right now we don't really need this one, so I think just cancel this one. Yeah. So now we find g f of x is equals to h units of, actually, so we have h inverse of 63 is equals to, so we can write as h inverse of 63, which is 63 plus 3 over 7, which now have 66 over 7. Therefore, h inverse of 63 is to h of 66 over 7, which is 7. That means we can 7 multiply into 66 over 7, which means that 66 minus 3 is 63. Well, here's the answer here first, and then we can solve f of x equals to h means of 63. So we can have x squared plus 5 over 2 equals to 63. And then beginning. So this one here we can write as 7 times 66 of somewhere. Just 66 minus 3 is 63. Then you can have x squared plus 5 equals to 126. So x is equals to 26 minus 5, which is 1 y squared. So x is equals to plus minus 121. So we have f is equals to plus minus 11. So here's our answer is 11. And then that's it. Thank you.